Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're looking at number 13 Manor Road. Now, Manor Road is located within the Bishopstone area of Herne Bay and has that really nice exclusive feel to it. There's certainly not many properties available up here at any one time. And one of the main reasons for that is the amazing views that you have with this property. So as we go round, and here we are in the kitchen, a really nice open space, you're going to get an idea for those sea views and how amazing they are, because they truly are here. So we'll come back through, we'll take a little look there through into the main lounge space, and as we come outside you'll get an idea for how big this back garden is. It's really lovely, and look how those views span all the way across, and we'll take a look at those views again as we're upstairs. But we'll come back through the main living space here and just have a really good look at what's on offer here. So you've got a really nice spacious layout on the ground floor with this lounge, with the dining room, and also with that kitchen and integral garage. Now, we found ourselves upstairs now, and we're going to go and take a look out the balcony here, which, I mean, look at those views. They are absolutely incredible. A complete one-off with a property. Certainly a one-off with a property that offers as much space and living accommodation as this one. So you'd have seen there that you've got the ensuite with the master bedroom. And you've got these 3 bedrooms at the back, all with those sea views. So you've got the bedroom there. Here's bedroom number 2, again with those amazing views out that lovely picture window there. And you'll see that each room is a fantastic size. You've got plenty of space here. Now, we'll take a quick look now at the family bathroom. You can see there, nice and clean and modern, easy space to use. And we'll come back through now to one of the front bedrooms here that we've got, which again is a really nice size. Now, the vendors currently use the last of the bedrooms here as an at-home study, which you could easily do as well. But again, you just get that really nice sense of how this property can be used.